How do storm drains work? Storm drains are the hidden protectors of our neighborhoods. They prevent streets, sidewalks, and buildings from flooding by channeling rainwater underground. But how do storm drains work exactly? Water first enters through inlets, the metal grates and slots along curbs, then flows into a network of pipes, catch basins, and culverts. From there, it eventually reaches stormwater ponds or treatment facilities. Why do storm drains matter? Flood prevention. Storm drains keep water away from homes, basements, and roads. Erosion control. By directing water underground, they reduce soil erosion and keep dirt from washing into rivers and streams. Cleaner waterways. Many systems include ponds or filters that help remove pollutants before water rejoins local waterways. What are the key parts of a storm drain system? Inlets are the curbside openings where water starts its journey, and catch basins collect debris to keep pipes clearer. Pipes and culverts then transport water beneath roads and buildings. Stormwater ponds hold water temporarily, letting dirt and pollution settle out. Manholes are what allow maintenance crews to access and repair the system. So what are some modern, innovative advancements for dealing with rainwater? Green roofs can absorb rainfall on rooftops, easing the burden on drains. Bioswales are specially designed tree pits that soak up and filter storm water. Detention tanks temporarily store water, releasing it slowly to prevent overloading the system. Here are some simple ways you can help out. Homeowners can do their part by keeping drains clear of leaves, trash, and other debris. This prevents clogs and helps the entire community stay safe and flood-free.